one of the teacher in your school, when you're 10th standard, asked to impart this emotional bank balance, emotional intelligence. What teacher said? If you don't like two people tomorrow, please bring two potatoes. How many?
Two potatoes.
If you don't like three people, three
Potatoes.
potatoes. And he said maximum 5. If you don't like 4 people, how many potatoes?
4.
If you don't like 5, how many
5.
potatoes?
5.
If you don't like 6 people, how many?
6 potatoes. 5. 5. 5.
So living in the present moment is very important. Present, because we get carried the visual impact. Visual. So if you don't like 10 people, how many potatoes?
5.
15 people?
5.
So next day, gave also a small polythene bag like this and a small string. What he said? Please keep these potatoes in this bag and you must carry this bag for next how many days?
30 days.
30 days. The school gets over at, imagine, 4:30 and you must carry this bag every day to the school. When you come to school, you can put it into school bag. If there is any activity outside classroom, you can carry these potatoes with you wherever you go, wherever possible. Even during sleeping, please keep it next to your bed. Now, what will happen to the potatoes in the next 20-25 days?
Will be rotten.
No air is passing through. It will start getting decomposed, rotten, smelling, stinking. So one student on 25th day came and said to the teacher, sir, please, can I throw these potatoes? Room is smelling, body is smelling, bag is smelling. Can I throw away these potatoes? Teacher said, yes, I know how comfortable or uncomfortable you're feeling. And if you want to achieve something in life, we have to face these challenges, uncomfortable situations. So let's keep one commitment. And if you are successful in this, you'll be successful in life. Only 5 days left. Can you keep this commitment? Teacher is very, very serious about this assignment. Every day is getting more decomposed, more smelling, stinking. Today's 28th day. Again, another student said, please, sir, let me throw away. It's so unbearable. Body is smelling, room is smelling, back smelling, as if I'm carrying a big burden in my shoulder. Again, teacher said, I know how uncomfortable you're feeling. Let's practice one commitment. Only 2 days left. Can you do that? Every student said, okay. So you're carrying potatoes, getting more rotten, more smelling, stinking. Today's 30th day. Today is
30th.
But now it's only 11 o'clock. So you'll be seeing the clock on the wall. You'll be seeing the watches in the hand. When it's going to be? 4:30. Every 1 hour as if one day. Waiting for that moment. Ultimately, now it is 4:30. So what is it? He said, now you can go and throw away these potatoes. How will you feel?
Very relieved.
Very relieved. Am I right?
Yes.
So similarly, the people who has hurted you, cheated you, harm you, you are carrying those people in your mind. In your
mind.
If you're carrying those people, rotten potatoes in your mind, you are getting rotten. You are getting
rotten. Yes.
So would you like to carry them or throw away from your mind?
Throw them from mind.
So how do you throw them? When you truly believe, first I say you to listen to yourself, what which is bothering me, which memory is bothering me. First, you are bothering yourself. You took revenge against yourself because when you're not getting desired result, we get angry. Anger is negative. And from there, your illness started getting into DNA. Truly, if you believe, first you have to forgive yourself because this thought is inside your mind. Who has generated first? So therefore, you learn here, no, I write your name that forgive myself for all the mistakes I did as I was ignorant and unconscious consequences of my actions. That I was harming myself by getting angry.